Jinan LaserMen CNC Equipment Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sale and service of fiber laser cutting machines, CO2 laser cutting engraving machines, laser welding machines, laser marking machines, laser cleaning machines, etc. We are located in Jinan City with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We offer standardized products in stock and customizing products with short lead time. A strong research team provides high-quality solutions for domestic and overseas customers. In recent years, our company has developed a series of advanced equipment, including fiber laser cutting machine, CO2 hybrid laser cutting machine, fabric laser cutting machine, handheld laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, etc. In addition, our products comply with CE standards, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the United States, Mexico, Russia, Korea, Europe, and South America. We have sales and service agents in the United States, Russia, Mexico, Korea, and Europe. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Choose LaserMen. Let's make greater achievement together.